Moving on to news coming in from West Bengal, where on Friday night a heated argument took place between BJP's Abhijit Ganguly MP and TMC's Babul Supriyo on Hooghly Bridge. Now, Babul was driving towards his house in Havra, while Abhijit's car was also headed in the same direction from Kolkata to Havra, where the two leaders got into a dispute. Now, the BJP MP claimed that Babul was in an intoxicated state. However, Babul denied this and said he was driving the car himself.
আমার একটা অভিজ্ঞতা হয়েছিল আরেকজন সিনিয়র মানুষকে আমি ফোনে এরকম গালাগালি করতে শুনেছিলাম, এক্সপেক্ট করিনি একদমই। তো খুবই অপ্রত্যাশিত এবং সবচেয়ে বড় কথা যে উনি যেভাবে থ্রেট দিচ্ছিলেন ভেতরে বসে, যদি এখানে দাঁড়া দেখ তোর আমি কী করি, ফোন টোন নানা রকম করার করছিলেন। তো আমি এটাও বলবো না যে আই উইশ আই রেকর্ডেড দ্যাট, যে আমি রেকর্ড করলে ভালো হতো। সত্যি আমার রেকর্ড করার কোনো ইচ্ছে ছিল না, আমি করিও নি। আমার ছেলেরা কেউ আমি কেউ করেও না, আমার বলাই থাকে যেসব ফালতু জিনিস রেকর্ড করে ফেসবুক এসব আমি করিও না, দিও না। আর অপ্রত্যাশিত তো বটেই, এবং তারপরে ওনার যে অজ্ঞতা, যেটা যখন অত্যন্ত অ্যারোগেন্স ঔদ্ধত্য যখন মাথায় পৌঁছে যায়, তখন বোধহয় মানুষ এতটাই অজ্ঞ হয়ে যান। আরে তুমি বিকনের স্পেলিং জানো, এইসব বলা, তারপরে বলা যে আমি মদ্যপ অবস্থায় গাড়ি চালাচ্ছিলাম। তো মানে কি বলবো, আমি জানি না, বিনাশকালে বুদ্ধিভ্রষ্ট তো বলবো না, বাট ওনার এত বড় একটা ফল।
I'm now joined by CNN News 18's Kamalika Sen-Gupta on this broadcast. Kamalika, what is the entire matter? Why were these both leaders fighting on the streets?
So this is something which is very surprising, and both the leaders have allegations against each other. And an heated argument between BJP's MP, former judge Abhijit Ganguly, and TMC's minister Babul Supriyo took place in the Hooghly Bridge last night. Now, according to Babul, he was going back home. Then there was this car which was coming from behind with a convoy, and they were actually honking in. And that point of time, Babul told the driver, Babul himself was driving the car, and he told the other car's driver that why he is driving like this, it can create an accident. And then he, according to Babul, he came to know that the person who was sitting on the other car, which was MP Abhijit Ganguly, he said certain bad things and directed his driver to move ahead. Now, then the BJP MP claimed that Babul was in an intoxicated state. That is the claim of BJP MP Abhijit Ganguly. He said that Babul behaved badly with him, and Babul used slang. That is his allegation. Babul Supriyo has said that he was not intoxicated, and neither did he say any bad things. So this went on for 15-20 minutes on the road, and then they actually went back. But the point is, the way a former judge and an MP and a minister fought on the road is something very surprising, and both are blaming each other. And according to Babul, he was driving the car, and a car honked loudly from behind and tried to overtake Babul's car at high speed. Babul reportedly leaned out of the car, and he said that to the driver that why are you driving like this? And this started, all these things started with this. But both the parties, both the sides are saying that it is the fault of the other side. The other side behaved badly. It is both the Abhijit Ganguly is also saying the same thing. Babul Supriyo is also saying the same thing. And this is something very much uncalled for on the streets. And in the late night, you find one MP versus the minister of the state is something which is very surprising.
All right. Thank you, Kamalika, for getting us all those details as far as this war of words that has escalated between Babul Supriyo and Abhijit Ganguly.